a lot of people are talking about predictive maintenance, but if you make a prediction for a part which fails every 8 years and already the worker can hear it 1 or 2 months before that this thing happens, if he is standing in front of the machine, there is no business case behind which anyone want to pay. So for us, it was really important to establish this EDI Scrum 2.0 development process, where we also have a really important part about this business development. So there's one buzzword is about design thinking, that you have to understand with your customer together, as also the speaker before me also mentioned. You have to find the right words. You have to understand what is really the need of the customer, but also what kind of data he already have available, in which kind of systems he is working. Because if you keep this all in mind, so with the design thinking, with the feature requirement engineering, you get a system which at the end fulfill a specific use case, but also which already have a benefit.